Hey, welcome to my channel. This is Filio, and today I'm just gonna do an unbagging because I bought so much yarn and it took so long for it to get here this time, but not because of the company that I ordered it from, but because we had like this storm here in New York a couple of days ago, and it kind of like delayed a lot of the stuff that was ordered. So it was like horrible. I'm just like praying for everybody, you know, and hopefully everybody, because last time we had something like this happen was when Hurricane Ida hit New York, and 80 something people died throughout of all of that. You know what I mean? But I'm not trying to make this a somber situation. I just wanted to say that's the reason why my yarn got here late, you know? And I bought like this big ass bag of yarn because I needed to. Um, oh, here, we'll open it. You know, it was on sale too, so a little sale here and there. And hopefully they got my order right. First of all, it was from Herrschner's. I got my invoice right there. From Herrschner's Yarn. I'm not affiliated with them. I don't have no contracts, nothing like that. I was just who I usually get my yarn from because they've been around for 120 something years, something like that. Anyway, so I got worsted, worsted 8, worsted yarn. Yeah. And I thought I ordered worsted weight 8, but it just says worsted on here. Yeah, it says worsted 8, but it just says worsted on here, so I guess this is 8. And yeah, this is a size 4. 4 medium. Can you guys see that? 4 medium. And these are all the specs, if you can see that. Yeah, 4 weight yarn. And it's 226 grams, 489 yards. Yeah, so you can make something really cool out of it. I got it in black, and I got it in gray, I got it in red. Let's see, should be some other colors in here. Oh, more black, more black. Oh, got it in green, olive green, and what? Oh, and so this is the special colors. This is the ones that I really want to talk about. Check that out. Yo, for all the yarn freaks like me, this is not a game right now. This is gonna be something cool for myself, I guess. Check it out. And the reason it comes with its own little pull tag. You see, it comes with a pull tag, so you can easily pull it out from the middle. And yo, I am so happy about this yarn. And with this one, I think these come with less yardage. I'm not sure. This one says 489 yards. And so, let me see, the other one says, oh, it's the same yardage. That's so cool. Because usually the colored, like multicolored ones, you get less yarn. Yeah, this is cool. So I got a few orders to do. And I just wanted to pop on here and show you the yarns that I'm going to be using soon. So stay tuned for some of that. I have another tutorial coming out with the extended stitches of the previous tutorial that I did of just basic stitches. And should be going live probably later on today, or if not, tomorrow. And I just wanted to say thank you for all the subscribers that did subscribe. Thank you for the views. Thank you for everything. And if you like what you see or would like to, yeah, leave in the comments too some things that you would like me to make or show you how to do, like a top-down sweater or whatever. You know what I mean? And like, comment, and subscribe. And Check you guys later. Peace.